Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do an essay on topic an ideal teacher or a teacher who has influenced me the most. Teachership was regarded one of the most honorable as reputed services. But today, unfortunately, the entire scene is quite contrary. They think of their job in terms of money and do not have the welfare of the student and the nation of heart. But all the teachers are not just rotten and fit for the first, just like yesteryear's dry leaves. Here and there are exceptions. Now and then we have capital examples of teachers who need to be worshipped. An ideal teacher is as rare as a dodo. He is a near impossibility in this day of getting rich quickly. The teacher, like other professionals, are in the system and want to make as much money as possible and as quickly as they do it. That put idealism out of action. The flames die for want of oil. It never gets a fair chance to live and lighten the world. An ideal teacher pursues his job with a spirit of devotion and dedication. He understands the students and the students understand him. He is a builder of a nation. A good teacher is a potter in real sense because only a teacher molds his students as give his student a good shape. If is a teacher who really writes the density of his student. He has a thorough knowledge of his book with love and labor. With labor and love he teaches his student. We have one such ideal teacher in our school. His name is Mr. Mahesh. He has influenced me the most and he is lighthouse of my life. I steer the ship of my density by his example and his advice. He tells me that knowledge is not the end, but the end of all knowledge is wisdom. We must seek wisdom even from stones and streams. Every book is also our book. Every book is also our book. We should keep our eyes and ears open all the time and never stop learning as long as we live. My ideal teacher has a very noble character. He is a man of simple living and high thinking. His character is flawless. He is my example in punctuality and performance of our various duties of life at home and in the school. He is a right Rosie and right yes. Our ideal teacher is responsible for molding our character and our career. We can never forget him as long as we live. He lights many candles with his wisdom and his services to the community is unique and almost unparalleled. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.